Alright. Take this knife I got from Walmart, buck knife, Ozark trail folding knife. Put a new edge on it here. And put it through this wall here, see if it's able to do that. So, put the 2x4s. Not quite going through, making good dents in it. No, not quite going through it. You can a good sized dent cuts in it though. No. It's going rather deep inside of there, yes, but now I'm going to go ahead and test the serration on it. You guys know how that is. There we go. Alright. Cut rather smoothly, actually. Let's try a little bit thicker one. About halfway there. Alright. I don't want to finish that, but as you can see, I was just about there. It took me, about 2 minutes to do it? Yeah. So, I don't know what person out there is going to use a dollar serrated knife to cut branches off a pine tree, but it'll take you 4 or 5 minutes to do so, yeah. So, I give it... Doesn't really go through cardboard too well, or 2x4s too well, but what knife does. I'm not gonna do a quarter trick, sorry, but I'm gonna fuck up a quarter that bad. Anyway, I assume, I don't really know what you guys are gonna use it for, but yeah, I'd buy it. I'd suggest buying it. I did buy it, but yeah, I give it about a B, C maybe. But for $1, you can't really ask for more than that, so yeah.